Today I want to share with you actually how to get working coach promo code. As you can see, I've already applied my promo code and I get this promo code absolutely for free. So how to get your working coach promo code in 2023 absolutely for free? It's easy. Open browser, go to key codes. As you can see, this website allowed you to generate a lot of coupons including the coach. So type this, the coach, click them. And now all you need to do, we must enter our email address. Also in this email address, our working coupon code will be displayed, and select our platform. Remember, this method works only for Android or iOS device. Okay, the next step is press proceed, and now as you can see, everything is work. Way to finish this process. After complete of this process, our working coach promo code, discount code, will be displayed on our screen, also sent to our email address. So way to finish this process, and as you can see, this is last step. Everything is work. This is my working promo code. Enjoy.